Hey guys, so this is the Lanthome Teeth-whitening pen, and as the name says, it's supposed to whiten your teeth. Over time, my teeth have gotten a bit yellow, and I've wanted to improve them and make them whiter. So I've decided to try this pen for a week and see how it can improve my teeth. The whitening pen is of course supposed to whiten your teeth and help remove stains built over the years from drinking wine, tea, or coffee, for example. It's completely safe to use and won't harm your teeth or gums. So to use the product, you just do as follows. 1. Twist the base of the pen so that it releases more gel on the brush. 2. Apply a layer of gel on your teeth and avoid your gums. 3. Leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. 4. Don't eat or drink while it's on your teeth. 5. Rinse your mouth out with water when finished. And 6. Do this 2 to 3 times a day for the best results. Here's a quick before and after photo from using the pen this past week. I would say my experience with using this whitening pen has been pretty awesome. Honestly, it's so cheap and affordable, yet it does a surprisingly spectacular job on whitening my teeth. And it doesn't hurt or irritate my sensitive teeth and gums, which is very important. So with this, there is no weird aftertaste, and I even noticed a slight improvement after my first use. So I definitely recommend this pen to you guys. It's a really safe and gentle formula, and the pen is really compact and portable, so it makes it super easy to use at home or to bring with you while traveling. But what I love is that it effectively removes stains, but with herbal ingredients. And all you have to do is just brush it on for a wider smile. So again, I highly recommend the Lanthome Teeth-whitening pen. It works so well. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and have a great day. Bye!